What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Mod Lab. Gonna start this video out with we got an issue with the Corvette. As you guys might have seen in Corvette Carnage Day 1, Day 2. If you haven't, we'll put the video somewhere on here. We snapped an axle, and that was an OEM axle that we snapped. And so we replaced that one with a aftermarket one, really cheap one. And then right before we went to Power Cruise, I noticed that the other axle was like slinging grease everywhere. So I replaced that one with another cheap axle. And ever since then, I've been hearing like this clicking noise when I like go to back up or move it just a little bit. And it kind of just feels like, I don't know, it just feels like loose, I guess you could say. And I've even gotten that also back from my tuner, saying that the axles probably aren't good that's in it right now. So I bought some new ones, and I'm hoping that this is just the end of this. It's kind of been a headache, to be honest with you. So what I bought is the OE axles for the C6Z off of rockauto.com. And what's in the car right now, it's a it's like a C5Z axle, because the C5Z axles and the C5 axles are the same for the 2006 to 2008, I think. C6s, they have the same splines and everything, but then I think they changed them in 09. But they're C5Z axles, but they're not the OE C5Z axles or the OE C5 axles. So they're not as strong, but if you do have a Corvette, I was thinking personally about getting just some C5 or C5Z axles like OE ones, but I decided to give the C6Z OE axles a shot, since that's what's on the car and everything. It should be good to go, hopefully. And yeah, so hopefully this is like one of the last times we change an axle, unless if it's like me breaking one or something like that. But if this doesn't work, I think I'm probably just gonna save up and get Z-Force axles, or the drive shaft shop axles. They're a little more pricey, but those are supposed to be the best out there. So yeah, it's time to get to it, and time to start the time lapse now. So it's basically beefier here, from there, here to there, here to there. Open. And if you look right here, this part's beefier.
This here is different than this.
Oh yeah, it is. The difference here, this is different. Right there. All right, guys, I think we got her fixed. Yeah, those aftermarket axles that were in here before, like I said, they clicked and they just kind of felt loose. The car feels a lot more solid now, so I highly recommend that you get OE axles or better quality axles. Don't ever put cheap axles in your car or even your race car. Learned that lesson the hard way. But that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me on this channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.